Top 7 Best Meats for Diabetics You Should Eat. Lower blood sugar. Are you struggling to figure out which meats are the best for managing diabetes? Believe it or not, the type of meat you eat can make a huge difference in controlling your blood sugar levels. Choosing the right meats can not only support better health, but also make your meals more satisfying and delicious. In this video, we'll reveal the top 7 meats that not only taste amazing, but also help you maintain healthy blood sugar levels. Stick around till the end. You won't want to miss this. Living with diabetes means making smart food choices, and protein is a vital part of your diet. It plays a crucial role in stabilizing blood sugar levels, supporting muscle repair, and providing long-lasting energy. However, not all meats are created equal. Some types can raise your blood sugar or harm your heart health, which is already a concern for many diabetics. On the other hand, there are meats that are low in unhealthy fats, packed with essential nutrients, and can help support better blood sugar management and overall wellness. Knowing which options to choose can make a significant difference in how you manage your diabetes. Today, we'll go through 7 diabetic-friendly meats that not only promote better health, but are also delicious and versatile, making them perfect additions to your meals. Skinless chicken breast is a lean protein that helps diabetics avoid blood sugar spikes. It's low in unhealthy fats and packed with essential protein that supports muscle repair, energy levels, and blood sugar stabilization. This makes it an ideal choice for those managing diabetes while looking to maintain a healthy and balanced diet. To get the most benefits, prepare it by grilling, baking, or roasting, as these methods preserve the natural nutrients without adding unnecessary fats or carbs. Avoid frying, as it can introduce unhealthy fats that may disrupt blood sugar levels. For a complete diabetes-friendly meal, pair skinless chicken breast with non-starchy vegetables such as steamed broccoli, roasted zucchini, or a colorful salad with a light vinaigrette. A delicious option could be baked chicken breast seasoned with herbs and spices, served alongside roasted bell peppers and a side of cauliflower rice. This combination is not only satisfying, but also packed with nutrients that help support overall health and blood sugar control. Salmon is an excellent protein choice for diabetics, thanks to its high omega-3 fatty acid content. These healthy fats are known for their anti-inflammatory properties and their ability to improve insulin sensitivity, which is essential for managing blood sugar levels. Salmon is also rich in high-quality protein, which helps slow the absorption of carbohydrates and stabilize energy levels throughout the day. Additionally, it supports heart health, a critical concern for many diabetics. To make the most of salmon, grill, bake, or pan-sear it with a drizzle of olive oil and your favorite herbs like dill, garlic, or rosemary. Avoid breaded or fried preparations, as they can add unnecessary carbs and fats. Pair salmon with non-starchy vegetables such as sautéed spinach, steamed asparagus, or roasted Brussels sprouts for a balanced and diabetes-friendly meal. A satisfying option could be baked salmon topped with a lemon dill sauce served alongside a fresh spinach salad or a side of cauliflower mash. This combination not only tastes amazing but also helps promote better blood sugar management and overall health. Pork tenderloin is a fantastic option for diabetics because it is a lean cut of meat that is low in saturated fat and high in high-quality protein. This makes it a great choice for stabilizing blood sugar levels while supporting muscle repair and overall health. Unlike processed pork products like bacon or sausages, which can spike blood sugar and contain unhealthy levels of sodium, pork tenderloin offers a clean and wholesome protein source that fits well into a diabetic-friendly diet. To prepare pork tenderloin in the healthiest way, consider grilling, roasting, or slow cooking it to retain its tenderness and natural flavor. Avoid breading or frying, as these methods can add unnecessary fats and carbs. Pair pork tenderloin with low-carb, fiber-rich vegetables such as roasted zucchini, sautéed spinach, or a fresh cucumber salad. For a flavorful twist, marinate the tenderloin in a mixture of olive oil, lemon juice, garlic, and herbs before cooking. A simple and delicious meal could include sliced roasted pork tenderloin served with a side of mashed cauliflower and steamed green beans, creating a satisfying dish that supports blood sugar control and overall health. Filet mignon, a lean cut of red meat, can be a healthy and satisfying option for diabetics when consumed in moderation. It is low in unhealthy fats and provides high-quality protein, which helps stabilize blood sugar levels and supports muscle repair and energy production. Unlike fattier cuts of red meat, filet mignon minimizes the risk of blood sugar spikes and is better for heart health, making it a smarter choice for diabetics who enjoy red meat. To keep filet mignon diabetes-friendly, grill, bake, Or broil it rather than frying or adding heavy sauces, as these can increase unhealthy fat and calorie content. Pair this lean cut with non-starchy vegetables such as roasted asparagus, sautéed mushrooms, or a side of steamed broccoli for a nutrient-rich and balanced meal. A delicious option could be grilled filet mignon seasoned with garlic and rosemary, served alongside a fresh arugula salad drizzled with olive oil and lemon. This combination not only delivers incredible flavor but also supports better blood sugar management and overall health. Skinless turkey breast is an excellent choice for diabetics due to its low-fat, low-calorie, and high-protein content. It is naturally free of saturated fats, making it heart-healthy and ideal for stabilizing blood sugar levels. Rich in essential nutrients like niacin and selenium, turkey breast supports energy production and strengthens the immune system, both of which are crucial for managing diabetes effectively. To enjoy turkey breast at its healthiest, roast, grill, or bake it without adding high-fat ingredients or sugary marinades. Avoid processed deli turkey, as it often contains added sugars and high sodium levels that can negatively impact blood sugar and heart health. Pair skinless turkey breast with low-carb, fiber-rich vegetables like green beans, zucchini, or a mixed greens salad for a balanced meal. A simple and nutritious option could be herb-roasted turkey breast served with a side of steamed cauliflower and roasted Brussels sprouts, creating a diabetes-friendly dish that's both satisfying and packed with nutrients. Duck can be a flavorful and nutrient-rich option for diabetics when consumed in moderation. While it has a higher fat content than chicken or turkey, much of the fat can be rendered off during cooking, and the remaining healthy fats can support heart health. Duck is also an excellent source of high-quality protein, which helps stabilize blood sugar levels and keeps you feeling full for longer. For a diabetes-friendly preparation, roast or grill the duck, allowing the fat to drain away, and avoid frying or adding sugary glazes. Pair it with low-carb vegetables such as sautéed spinach, steamed broccoli, or roasted cauliflower to balance the meal. A delicious and healthy option could be roasted duck seasoned with garlic and thyme, served with a side of cauliflower mash and green beans. This combination offers a satisfying and flavorful dish that aligns with blood sugar management and overall wellness goals. Organ meats such as liver, heart, and kidney are nutrient-dense options that can provide significant health benefits for diabetics. They are rich in essential vitamins like A, D, E, and K, as well as B12, which is crucial for energy production and nerve health. Additionally, organ meats are packed with iron and zinc, which support immune function and overall vitality. Their high protein content helps stabilize blood sugar levels and provides lasting energy. To incorporate organ meats into your diet, start with simple preparations to suit your taste. Liver, for example, can be lightly sautéed with onions and garlic, creating a rich and flavorful dish. Pair it with low-carb sides such as steamed broccoli or a fresh spinach salad to balance the meal. For those new to organ meats, blending them with ground beef in a 70-30 ratio is a great way to ease into their unique flavor while enjoying their health benefits. Dishes like liver pate, heart stews, or spicy curries can also make organ meats more palatable and enjoyable. These versatile and nutrient-packed options are excellent additions to a diabetes-friendly diet, supporting blood sugar control and overall health. Incorporating these diabetic-friendly meats into your meals can help you stabilize blood sugar levels, reduce inflammation, and support heart health, which is especially important for managing diabetes. These meats are high in quality protein, essential for slowing carbohydrate absorption and maintaining steady energy throughout the day. Packed with vital nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals, they also promote overall wellness. Their versatility allows you to prepare them in various delicious ways, making it easy to maintain a balanced, diabetes-friendly diet while enjoying satisfying and nutritious meals. Which of these meats are you excited to try? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tips on living a healthier, diabetes-friendly life. Your support helps us bring you even more valuable content. And if you're looking for more ideas, check out the video in the description for delicious and diabetes-friendly recipes that you'll love. Stay healthy and take charge of your well-being. You have the power to take control of your diabetes with the right food choices. Start incorporating these meats into your diet today and experience the benefits of better health, improved energy, and lower blood sugar levels. You've got this.